unveiling the tapestry of Hmong culture in Thailand, from ancient times to the present. Nestled in the lush landscapes of northern Thailand, the Hmong people stand as a testament to the richness and resilience of their ancient culture. In this exploration, we journey through the annals of time, unraveling the history and traditions that have shaped the Hmong community in Thailand, from its ancient roots to the dynamic present. Ancient origins and migration. The history of the Hmong in Thailand begins with a history steeped in ancient roots, believed to have originated in the mountainous regions of China. The Hmong people embarked on a journey of migration that spanned centuries. Discover the tales of their arrival in the hills of northern Thailand, where they found a new home amidst the breathtaking landscapes. 2. Cultural traditions and festivals. The Hmong people have preserved a rich tapestry of traditions that reflect their identity and heritage. Explore the vibrant tapestry of their cultural practices, from intricate embroidery to the pulsating rhythms of traditional music and dance. Dive into the kaleidoscope of colors that characterize Hmong festivals, each a celebration of their unique customs and a testament to the unity of their community. 3. Adaptation and challenges. As Hmong people settled in Thailand, they faced the challenges of adapting to a new environment while holding onto their traditions. Uncover the stories of resilience and innovation that have defined the Hmong experience in Thailand, from agricultural practices to the evolution of their societal structure. Witness how the Hmong have navigated change while staying rooted in their cultural identity. 4. Modern dynamics. In present day, the Hmong community in Thailand is a dynamic blend of tradition and modernity. Delve into their contributions to the broader Thai society, from arts and crafts to agriculture. Explore the educational initiatives and socioeconomic developments that mark the contemporary Hmong experience, showcasing a community that continues to evolve while cherishing its cultural heritage. B. Challenges and preservation forts. Despite vibrancy of their culture, the Hmong people face challenges in preserving their traditions in the face of globalization and modernization. Examine the efforts, both within the community and externally, to safeguard and revitalize Hmong language, art, and customs. Witness the resilience of a people determined to pass on their heritage to future generations. Conclusion. As such, traverse the historical landscapes and cultural milestones of the Hmong people in Thailand, it becomes clear that their story is one of endurance, adaptation, and celebration. From ancient roots to the present day, the Hmong community has woven a tapestry of traditions that continues to thrive, contributing to the diverse and colorful mosaic that is Thailand. In learning and analyzing the Hmong people, we not only gain insights into a unique culture, but also witness the living history of a community that embodies the spirit of cultural preservation amidst the currents of change. Thank you for watching.